Bonjour tout le monde, c'est votre cours de français. Leçon 2, dans un magasin de vêtements, partie 2. So, l'impératif, we use the imperative to make a request or to give an order to someone. La formation, how to form this? To form the imperative, we follow 3 steps. Number 1, the imperatives exists only in tu, nu and vu form. So first we conjugate the verb for tu, nu and vu subjects. So there will be no imperative with je, ill, and ill plural. Only tu, nu and vu will take the imperative form. Number 2, we remove the subject pronouns, that is tu, nu and vu, and add an exclamatory mark. So it's very necessary to put exclamatory mark. Number 3, in all er group verbs, remove the s in the tu form, but not from any other group of verbs such as comprendre, finir, etc. Let us take the verb comprendre and habiter. Habiter, to live. So how to form the imperative form? Tu habites with s, nous habitons, vous habitez. How to make the imperative form? Tu habites. We have to, this is er group, so you have to remove the s from here and you have to write simply habite with without s and put an exclamatory mark here. Nous habitons. Nous you have to omit and you have to write habitons exclamatory mark. Vous habitez, habitez, an exclamatory mark. Next one is comprendre, to understand. Tu comprends with s, but here they told that comprends with s will be this because it is not er group verb. Nous comprenons, comprenons. Vous comprenez, comprenez. L'impératif, le verb exceptionnel. Here the exceptional verbs are given like être and it will be soit, soyons and soyez. Soit will be with for tu, soyons for nous and soyez for vous. Likewise avoir with tu, for tu it will be a, with nous it will be ayons and with vous it will be ayez. Savoir, with for tu it will be chasse, for nous it will be chachons and for vous it will be chassez. Vouloir, veuillez, veillons, veillez. Aller, va, allons, allez. La négation. To form the negative imperative, the conjugated verb is put between ne and pas after removing the subject pronoun. So, how to make the negative of the imperative sentences? So, the examples are given here. Tu ne réponds pas. So, how to write the imperative form? Ne réponds pas. We have to remove the, so how to make the negative? So, you have to write tu ne réponds pas will be ne réponds pas in imperative form. Ne in the first place, répondre in the second place and pas will be in third place. So répondre will come between ne and pas. Nous ne répondons pas. It will be ne répondons pas. Répondre will come in between ne and pas. Vous ne répondez pas. Ne répondez pas. Here also répondez will come in between ne and pas. Le verbe pronomino. The imperative of all pronominal verbs in the affirmative is made by putting the reflexive pronoun after the verb and hyphen is inserted between the reflexive pronoun and the verb and punctuated with an exclamation sign. Note, te becomes toi in imperative. So, example is given, tu te lave in the pronominal verb and it will be the in the imperative form lave toi. Here te has become toi. So first you will have to write the verb lave, then put a hyphen here, then after in place of the you will have to write here toa. Nous l'avons. So how to write l'avons nous? First you will write the nous form of l'avons hyphen and nous. It will be l'avons nous. Then vous l'avez. It will be l'avez hyphen vous. La négation avec les verbes pronominaux. To form the negative of pronominal verb in imperative, the reflexive pronoun and the conjugated verb is put between ne and pas and is punctuated with an exclamation sign. For example, tu ne te laves pas. So how to make the negative of this pronominal sentence? Ne te lave pas. You have to remove tu here and start from ne te lave pas and mark of exclamation. Nous ne nous levons pas. It will be ne nous levons pas. The first nous will be removed from here. Then vous ne vous lavez pas. You have to write ne vous lavez pas and remove the first vous from here. Les conjunctions, the conjunctions. A conjunction holds phrase and clause together. As you will be knowing this, what is the work of conjunction? To add the two sentences or phrases. So the first one is may. May means but. So the use is given here. Il fait beau, mais il ne joue pas. It is good weather, but he cannot play. Next one is parce que or parce qu'il before vowel. Because, it means because. Example, elle boit de l'eau parce que elle a soif. She drinks water because she is thirsty. Then puis. Puis means then. For example, elle fait son travail puis elle rentre. She does her work, then she returns. Quand means when. For example, quand la pluie s'arrête, je vais sortir. When the rain stops, I will go out. A means and. For example, j'aime la glace et le gâteau. I like ice cream and the cake. C or S apostrophe before il, it will be, and the meaning is if. For example, si vous voulez, je vous accompagnerai. If you want, I will accompany you. So, accompagnerai is the future sample form of accompagner. Ou means or. For example, tu veux du pain ou de la baguette. You want bread or baguette. Donc means so or therefore. For example, je suis malade, donc je ne vais pas à l'école aujourd'hui. I am sick, therefore I cannot go to school today. Le vocabulaire, caissière, cashier, l'argent liquide, cash, l'écharpe, scarpe, la casquette, cap, la chemise, shirt, la culotte, underwear, la jupe, skirt, la robe, dress, la taille, size, la chandelle, sweater, le costume, suit, la haut, top, le menton, coat, le pull, le pullover, le t-shirt, t-shirt, le short, shorts, le veston, jacket, les sachets, socks, les chaussures, shoes, les gants, hand gloves. Faire du shopping. So here the continuation of the dialogues of Jean et Monique. Now, je commence. Jean et Monique se rencontrent devant le jardin des plantes. Jean and Monique meets in front of the garden of plants. Coucou Jean. Hello Jean. Coucou mon ami. Alors, un platform. Prêt pour le shopping? Hello my friend. So, everything is all right? Ready for the shopping? Le shopping? C'est mon métier, mec. Allons-y. Shopping? This is my job, dear. Let's go. Je suis un bon compagnie, alors j'ai besoin d'acheter des vêtements d'été. Toi, tu ne vas rien acheter? I am in a good company, so I need to buy some summer clothes. You are not going to buy anything? Bien sûr, j'ai toujours des choses à acheter, mais pourquoi tu as tellement envie de faire le shopping aujourd'hui? Of course, I have always something to buy, but why you want so much to buy today? Tout d'abord, c'est les vacances d'été et deuxièmement, j'ai un bon plan pour la fête d'anniversaire de Gabriel. J'achète donc les vêtements pour ces deux occasions. First of all, this is summer vacation, and secondly, I have a good plan to celebrate the birthday of Gabriel. I therefore buy the dresses for these two occasions. Je voudrais des t-shirts et des shorts, s'il vous plaît. I need to buy shorts, t-shirts, and I want to buy trousers also. Excusez-moi, it will be the dialogue. J'ai besoin de shorts, de t-shirts, et je voudrais aussi acheter des pantalons. I need to buy shorts, t-shirts, and I want to buy trousers also. Bonjour, puis-je vous aider? Hello, may I help you? Je voudrais des t-shirts et des shorts, s'il vous plaît. I want some t-shirts and shorts, please. Ah, vous cherchez les vêtements d'été? Venez par ici. Notre collection d'été va vous intéresser. Oh, you are looking for the summer dresses? Come this side. Our summer collection will interest you. Je vais prendre ces deux t-shirts et deux shorts noirs. Est-ce que je peux essayer? I am going to take these two t-shirts and two black shorts. Can I try? C'est génial. Je veux tout. That's wonderful. I want all. Voici mes achats. Ça fait combien? Here is my purchasing. How much I have to pay? Ça fait au total 150 euros. It costs 150 euros in total. Voici 200 euros. Here is 200 euros. Voici la monnaie de 50 euros. Merci, à bientôt. Here is the change, 50 euros. Thank you. See you soon. Maintenant, pour parler de la fête, on va boire un café et tu racontes ton plan. Now, for discussing about the party, we are going to drink coffee and you will narrate your plan. Allons-y. Let's go. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Lisez le texte, apprenez la grammaire et faites les questions et les réponses dans votre cahier. Merci beaucoup.